How to bold text on a Facebook post. First of all, launch Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, now you have to navigate to make a Facebook post. For that, tap on the section or text box that says what's on your mind. From here, you can make your Facebook post. Now once you're done typing your text, if you would like to make it bold, all you have to do is select them all and then copy the text. Once you have copied this text, you can close this and now you can open up any browser or you can open Google. After that, tap on the search bar and search for LingoJam, which is a free website with the help of you can create a bold text. Scroll down a bit and then tap on bold text generator. That will take you to next page. Here it says normal text goes here, so you have to paste the text that you have copied recently from your Facebook post. Now below that you'll have the bold text. Scroll down a bit and choose the one that you prefer. Here I'll just go with bold serif, and all you have to do is select them all again. Select this bold text and copy them all. Once you have copied, now you can get back to your Facebook post again, and then you can clear them all and then again paste the bold text that you have copied recently, and there you go. Now you have bold text on your Facebook post and now you can post it in your profile. So that's the way to bold text on Facebook post, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.